Did you know that some flowers actually love extreme heat? While many plants struggle and wilt under the blazing sun, certain flowers burst into life when temperatures rise. These incredible plants don't just survive hot weather, they thrive in it. If you live in a hot climate, choosing the right flowers can completely transform your garden. Instead of faded leaves and drooping stems, you can enjoy vibrant color all summer long. Today, we're exploring 10 beautiful flowers that bloom even in intense heat, and one of them might surprise you. Let's begin with a tough little flower called portulaca, also known as moss rose. Portulaca is perfectly designed for hot climates. Its small, succulent leaves store water, allowing it to handle intense sun and dry soil with ease. Under bright sunshine, its brilliant pink, yellow, and orange flowers open wide, creating a carpet of color across the garden. Next are zinnias. These cheerful flowers thrive in full sun and bloom continuously throughout summer. Their bright colors attract butterflies and pollinators, bringing movement and life to any garden. The more you cut zinnias for bouquets, the more flowers the plant produces. Another stunning heat-loving plant is bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is famous for its dramatic color. In warm climates, it climbs walls, fences, and trellises, covering them in vibrant cascades of pink, purple, or orange blooms. Surprisingly, it actually performs better in dry heat than in cooler conditions. Now let's look at the blanket flower. These flowers resemble tiny summer sunsets. Their petals blend fiery shades of red, orange, and yellow that glow under sunlight. Blanket flowers tolerate drought and poor soil, making them incredibly easy to grow. Next is the tropical beauty known as hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are large, bold, and breathtaking. Their vibrant petals add a tropical feeling to any garden, and many varieties handle strong sunlight very well. But the next flower surprises many gardeners. Cosmos may look delicate, but it thrives in tough conditions. Even in poor soil and intense sunlight, cosmos plants grow tall and produce soft pink and white blooms that dance gently in the breeze. Another incredible heat champion is vinca, also called periwinkle. Vinca is one of the toughest flowering plants for hot climates. Even during extreme heat waves, it continues to bloom without struggle, making it perfect for sunny gardens. Next comes lantana. Lantana produces clusters of small, colorful flowers that often combine yellow, orange, pink, and red in a single bloom. These plants love heat and drought, and butterflies are especially attracted to them. Of course, we can't forget sunflowers. These iconic plants thrive in long, hot summers. Their tall stems and golden blooms follow the sun across the sky, bringing bold beauty and height to any garden. And finally, marigolds. Marigolds are bright, cheerful, and extremely heat tolerant. Not only do they bloom continuously through summer, but they also help repel certain garden pests. With the right flowers, even the hottest garden can become a colorful paradise. By choosing plants that naturally love sunshine and warmth, you can create a garden that stays vibrant, strong, and beautiful all season long. And sometimes, the secret to a thriving garden isn't watering more, it's simply planting flowers that were built for the heat.